Hello.
Hi, Miggy. How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, you're welcome to the lesson today. And this is lesson 2 under the same topic, reducing fractions to the lowest term. All right. We'll be looking at some questions right away. We'll look at about 10 questions to be able to see how to reduce fractions to the lowest terms. So let's consider these questions. These are questions 1 through 10. Now, the first one there says 2 over 4. 2 over 4. Before you can reduce any fraction to the lowest term, what you need to do is to look at the numerator and the denominator. For example, in the first question, the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4. Is that clear?
Fine.
Okay. Now, check through which number can divide 2 and can divide 4. That is 2 times what is going to give me 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, which number can divide 2 and can divide 4?
2.
2, very good. So if I divide 2 by 2, if I divide by 2, my answer is 1, okay?
Okay.
And
fine.
if I divide 4 by 2, my answer is 2. So this is my answer. 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. Is that clear?
Fine.
Good. Let's go to number 2. We have 18 all over 20. Now let us check which number can divide 18 and can also divide 20. Yeah, 2 can divide 18 and 2 can divide 20. So 2 times what will give me 18?
2 over 2.
Yeah, 2 times what will give me 18? 2 times what will give me 18?
18.
Yeah, 2 times what? What will I multiply by 2 to get 18? What number? Is it 2 times 1 that will give me 18? Or is it 2 times 5 that will give me 18? Or is it 2 times 9 that will give me 18?
2
What? Yeah, which one will give me
2
18?
over 2.
No, I mean, do you remember your multiplication table? Do you remember the last multiplication table that we looked at? You know, we looked at table 2 the other time, right? Right?
Yes.
So,
Fine.
2 times what will give me 2 times what will give me 18? Let me show you. Let me show you.
Okay, fine.
Now,
Fine.
can you see this multiplication table?
Fine.
Can you see this?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
yes, fine.
So 2 times what is going to give me 18? All right. So 2 times what gives me 18? Miggy, where is 18?
2 times 18.
This is
What is
18.
Okay. Oh, okay. So,
Now, 2 times
fine.
what? 2 times what will give me 18?
Fine. Fine. Wait. Wait for a while. Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you see this now?
Fine.
Now, 2 times what will give me 18?
It's 9.
9. Very good. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it means
Fine.
2 times 9 is 18. Now, 2 times
Fine.
what? Give me 20. 2 times what is going to give me 20?
Oh, 10.
10, very good. So
Fine.
if I am cutting this down, so I can now say 2 has cancelled 2. So my final answer is 9/10. Okay.
Fine.
So 18/20 to the lowest term is what? 9/10. Is that clear?
Okay, fine. Fine.
Good. Let's go to the third one. Number 3,
Fine.
we have 3/30. Now, if you see this, 3 times 1 is 3. Okay?
Fine.
Then
Fine.
3 times 10 is 30. So, if I cancel out the 3, Miggy, are you playing sounds there?
No, it's a timer.
Okay. So now, this is 1/10, okay? Okay. So 3/10 equal to what? 1/10. Is that clear?
Fine.
Yeah, it's clear to you, right? Now, what about the next one, number 4? Let me divide this page.
4. Okay,
Yeah, number
fine.
4
Fine.
is 10/45. So 10
Fine.
over 45. So
Fine.
what number can I use to divide 10 and use to divide 45? That number is 5. So 5 times what will give me 10?
Fine.
Yeah, 5 times what will give me 10?
Okay, fine. 5
That's
times
2.
and that's 2.
Yeah, 5 times 2. And 5 times what will give me 45? That's 5 times 9, okay?
Fine. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay,
Then,
fine.
when you cut this away, you have 2/9. So 10/45 is the same as 2/9 in the lowest form.
Fine. Okay, fine.
Then number 5, I have 5/15.
Fine.
Now, I'm going to use 5
Fine.
to divide them because 5 can divide both numbers. So I have 5 times 1 here. Then
Fine.
5 times 3 is 15. Is that clear?
Fine.
Then you divide 5 by 5. Then you have 1/3. So I can say 5/15. Yeah, over 15. Okay. So 5/15 is the same as 1/3. Okay.
Fine.
All right. Let me ask you to try. Okay, let's do number 6. Then you will try number 7. So let's do number 6. 14/24. Now, Miggy,
Fine. Fine.
2 times what will give me 14? 2 times what will give me 14?
Fine.
Yes.
Eh,
What number is
That's gonna be 6. I mean 7.
very
7.
good? 7.
Oh,
7.
fine.
7.
Okay, fine.
So now 2 times what will give me 24?
Fine.
Yes.
That's going to be 24.
No.
I mean, that's gonna be 14.
No.
What?
Yeah, 2 times 12.
Oh, that's gonna be 12.
Yes. So I can now divide this, okay? Then I have 7/12. So I can say 14/24 equals 7/12. Is that clear?
Fine.
Now, I want you to take your pencil and your paper and try question 7. Okay?
Fine. Fine.
Do question 7, 8,
Just
9, and 10.
excuse me.
Yes, do this one now.
Excuse me. I just burped.
Okay, okay. So do this as your class.
Not burped. Burp.
Okay, okay. So do this as your classwork. Do this and tell me your answers. Write them down on your paper. Get a pencil, get a paper,
Oh, fine.
and write this out. Then work out your
Fine.
answers.
Oh, fine. Fine.
So do quick.
Fine.
I'll be waiting now.
A copy?
Yeah. You should do questions 7 to 10.
Which one a copy? Which one
Yeah.
a copy?
Number 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the answers.
This one?
Yes, find the answers.
On the left or on the right?
This one.
Fine.
So
Oh, only that or the whole thing?
yes, this 4 questions.
The whole thing? Even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
No, just 7 to 10. 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Fine. Fine.
So get the answers to question 7, get the answer to question 8, get the answer to question 9, and get the answer to question 10. Okay? So once you are through, I'm going to give you how many minutes now? Let me give you 1 minute for one question, or
Yeah. How did you know 1 minute? Did you see in my timer?
no, I'm going to show you the timer now. Okay?
Just exactly my timer.
Okay, 1 minute is your timer. So 1 minute for one question, then that means you have 4 minutes for
Exactly my timer.
yes, you have 4
I'm gonna
minutes.
set I'm gonna set the timer for 1 minute now.
Yes. So it's going to be 4 minutes for the 4 questions.
When you hear the sound of my timer, it means the timer is done.
Yeah, it means time up.
Oh no, have 14 seconds left.
You mean for the first one?
I'm doing right now. I'll
Oh.
just show you.
Okay, so what about your answers? What's all right, I can hear that. So what about your what's the answer to question 7? Have you done it?
Yes, what? Yes, what?
Have you found the answer to question 7?
Not yet. I'm still writing it.
Okay, so write your answer and let me find it.
I mean, I had wrote it.
You've written it, okay. Then supply the answer, okay?
Fine. Fine.
So have you gotten the answer to question 7?
I'm not yet. How many minutes you give me?
I gave you 4 minutes for the 4 questions, so remain 3 minutes now. Let's look at it together. Can you hear me?
Fine.
Okay, so let's look at it together now. I want you to concentrate on this. Let's look at number 7.
Fine.
Number 7 says 4 over 40. You will
Fine.
discover that 4 can divide 40. So 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 10 is 40, okay?
40. Fine.
Yeah. So if you cancel the 4, you have 1 over 10 as the answer.
Fine. It's the same. I wrote it in.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
number 8.
Fine.
Number 8 is 2 over 6.
Fine.
2 can divide 6. So you say 2 times 1 is 2.
Oh, fine.
And 2 times 3 is 6. So once you cancel out the 2, you have 1 over 3. Is that clear now?
Fine.
Good. Then let's look at number 9. For number 9, I have 35 over 40. So for 35 over 40, here is what you have. What number can divide 35 and can divide 40? That number is 5.
5.
5 times 7 is 35. And 5
Oh,
times 8 is 40. So if you cancel the 5, you have your final answer to be what? 7/8.
Fine.
Is that clear now?
Fine.
Okay, now the last question, number 10. For number 10, we have 4 divided by 36, okay?
Fine.
And that is 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 9 is 36. So once your 4 cancels the 4 at the top and bottom, then you have 1/9. Is that clear now?
Fine.
So again, you would see that our multiplication tables have a role to play, okay? Is that clear?
Fine.
So let us go a bit into our multiplication table now. Tables. Now, table 2, let's revise our table 2. Miggy, what is 2 times 1?
Fine.
What is 2?
2.
Yeah, 2. What is 2 times 2?
2. 4.
Yeah.
I mean 4.
What is 2 times 3?
3. I mean 6.
6. What is 2 times 4?
Fine. Walo as 8.
8. 2 times 5?
10.
10.
Fun. I mean
2 times
fine.
6?
Fine. 12.
12. 2 times 7?
It's 14.
Good. 2 times 8?
12. I mean 16.
Okay. 2
Right?
times 9?
It's 18.
18. 2 times 10?
And that's gonna be, and that's 20.
Yes. 2 times 11?
That's gonna be 22.
22, that's correct. And finally, 2 times 12?
It's gonna be 24.
Good.
Oops.
So if you have known how to get this, then you will know how to get the next one, which is table 3, okay? Okay,
Fine.
so let's go to table 3. Of course, table 3.
Oh, fine.
3 times 1 is 3, okay?
Fine.
Now, 3 times 2, just add 3 to that answer, and that is 6, okay?
Fine.
So what do you think 3 times 3 will be? Just add 3 to the previous
9.
9, that's correct. What about 3 times 4?
It's 10. I mean 12.
12,
Means 12.
correct. 3 times 5?
15. And that's gonna be 15.
Yes. 3 times 6?
That's gonna be 18.
Good. 3 times 7?
That's gonna be 21.
Good. 3 times
One.
8?
That's gonna be 24.
Good. 3 times 9?
That's gonna be 26.
No.
Oops, I mean 27.
Good. 3 times 10?
30.
30.
30.
Yes, 3 times
30.
11?
33.
Good. 3 times 12 finally. Three times 12.
That's gonna be 36.
36. Good. All right. Having done table 3, we're looking at one more table there, okay?
Fine.
Which is table 4. Table 4. What is 4 times 1, Miggy?
That's gonna be 4.
Good. 4 times 2.
12. I mean 8.
Great. 4 times 3.
12.
12. So 4 times 4.
Fine. 16.
4 times 5.
It's gonna be 20 something.
20.
So 20.
20. 4 times 6.
That's gonna be 20.
4 times
4.
6, 24. 4 times 7.
That's gonna be 20. 8.
28. 4 times 9.
That's
4 times,
gonna be
no, 4
30.
times
I
8,
mean 30. Wait,
32.
2.
Yeah,
That's gonna be 36. 4 times 9.
4 times 9 is 36, okay. Then 4 times 10.
Um, 30. I mean 40.
40. 4 times 11.
42. I mean 44.
And finally, 4 times 12.
48.
Okay, so now let us try to carry out some multiplication that has to do with real life application, like word problems, multiplication in maybe 2-digit number, and so on. So I'm going to bring some questions now for us to see so that we can appreciate the use of multiplication. Okay?
Fine.
Okay, let's look at this particular question. Let's say, look at this question.
Fine.
24 folders. Each has 56 sheets of paper inside them. How many sheets of paper are there altogether? Now, hold on. I'm going to reframe this question to suit what we have on the board. Instead of 56 here. Okay, I think we're good. We're good with it. Now, look at this. The question says we have 24 folders. We have how many folders? 24. So if these are the folders, I have 24 of the folders. Okay?
Fine.
You know, as many as 24. Is that clear?
Fine.
So in each folder, we have 56 sheets. So if the first folder contains 56, and the next folder contains 56, okay?
Fine.
So how do I get the total? I will just multiply by 2, or I should add this together. Is that clear?
Fine.
So that means one folder has how many sheets? One folder has how many sheets? 56 sheets. Where are you? I can't see you there, Miggy.
I'm here.
Okay, show your face so that I can see you're concentrating on this. Good. So one folder contains 56 sheets, right?
Fine.
Now, two folders will contain what? Will be 56 times 2, okay?
Fine.
That'll be 2 times 56 sheets. Then, what are we looking for? We're looking for 24 folders. Is that clear?
Fine.
So we can say 24 folders will have how many sheets? That is 24 times 56 sheets, okay?
Fine.
Now, how do we get 24 times 56? That is where we are going. Look up, please. Look at this, please. 24.
Look.
Yeah, I can see you there. I want you to face the camera so that I can see you're concentrating on this. Okay, yeah. So 24 now times what? 56, okay?
Fine.
Now, check your multiplication table. What is 4 times 6, or what is 6 times 4? Check that multiplication table on the board. What is 6 times 4, or what is 4 times 6? What is 4 times 6, Miggy?
8. I'm
4
in
times 6. Can you see it on the board?
24.
24, good. So when I get 24, I have to write 4 and keep my 2. Is that clear?
Fine.
Then I'm going to multiply 2 and 6. So that is 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6, Miggy?
2 times 6 is 12.
Now, plus the 2 I kept here, that will give me 14, right?
Fine.
So I'm going to write 14. Then I have not used the 5. Let me use the 5 to multiply the 2. So I want to do 5 times 4.
Fine.
So check the multiplication table, Maggie. What is 4 times 5?
What? Sorry, I didn't hear you properly.
Okay, what is 4 times 5?
Because my mom and dad are talking.
Okay, what is 4 times 5, Maggie?
Sorry, Teacher Aljubala.
Okay.
My mom and dad were talking. That's why I didn't hear you properly.
No problem with that. So what is 4 times 5? Check it on the board.
20.
20.
Oops.
So I'll write 0 and keep 2, okay?
Fine.
Now, what is 5 times 2, or what is 2 times 5? What is 2 times 5?
What is 2 times 5, Miggy?
Miggy, what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is what? Can you see here? 10. So if I add 10 with the 2 I kept here, that's going to be 12, Miggy, okay? Miggy.
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay. So
sorry.
Now I'm going to add these together. 4 plus nothing gives me 4, okay? And 4 plus 0 gives me 4. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Then nothing plus 1 is. So we can say the number of sheets of paper altogether is 1,344. So we can say there are 1,344 sheets of paper. Okay?
Fine.
Sheets of paper all together. That's in 24 folders. Now look at the question. How many sheets of paper are in one folder?
There are 1,344 sheets of paper.
Wait. One folder is how many sheets? one folder is how many sheets? Can you see it on the board? One folder is how many sheets?
One folder is 56 sheets.
Good. Two folders is how many
Fine.
sheets? Two folders is how many sheets? Two folders.
Total 56 sheets.
Yes. Now 24 folders is how many sheets?
24 folders is 24 times 56
And what
sheets.
is 24 times 56?
1,344.
So that means there are how many sheets of paper? altogether?
1,344 sheets of paper altogether.
Do you understand this?
Fine.
Should I give you something like this to try?
Which one?
I mean, something like this question. Will you get it if I give it to you? I want to give you a question to try. Are you ready?
Fine. Fine.
Okay. So do you want to write this down before I give it to you?
No need.
Do you want to write this before I give you the one you would do?
No need.
No need. Are you sure?
Sure.
You sure you will get it?
Sure.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay. So let me give you the one to do. Okay.
Fine.
Classwork. This time
Excuse
around.
me.
Yeah.
I go to the toilet.
Okay, please do.
Hello, teacher. While Miggy's in the toilet, sorry, yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
sorry, I forgot to mention to you that we'll be flying. We have a flight scheduled by Monday.
Okay.
So probably
Can
can
we meet on
can we-
Tuesday instead?
yeah, is it possible with you?
Yes, it's possible.
Oh, okay. And also I think this Friday,
Okay.
not sure until what time, or can we exchange Friday to tomorrow instead?
Okay, no problem. We can do tomorrow.
Okay, still same time, 4 p.m.
Yes, same time. Same time.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great. And okay, just checking. Which topic are you doing now?
Right now we are working on reducing fractions to lowest term.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
worked on that, and I discovered that he needs to get a bit familiar with the multiplication table. So
Mm,
I had to take him through table 2 to table 4 for now, because we're going to move ahead later. So in order for him to appreciate the use of the tables, then I have to introduce a real life question like this one on the board.
I see. Okay.
So I want
So
to give him one to try now when he comes back.
okay. So basically for the division part, when okay, when are you going to, or when can you
Maybe,
start with the
yeah,
division?
we can start the division part tomorrow. We can start it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, we can start
Okay.
it tomorrow.
So I can prepare him so.
All right.
Okay, so he just needs to do more practice here, right? To memorize
Yes.
tables. Actually, I also have him memorize this table before, but he forgets. So
Yeah, it's because
he
he's
needs to
not
constantly
using it.
practice.
Yeah, he's not using it constantly. That's why he keeps
Right.
forgetting. But I know he would like I can see a difference between yesterday and today. So I can see that he's getting over it. So definitely it will work.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
So when he
Okay.
comes back, I just want to give him a classwork to try.
Oh yeah, that's wonderful. Okay. And yeah, right now he's also feeling not well because he just had his COVID vaccine.
Okay, I noticed. I noticed he was
But I
putting
said
his
him,
face down, but I just have to say, okay, let me see your face so I can see you're concentrating.
yeah, but I think he's okay. He can manage. He's a strong boy. Come on. No, I said you had your COVID vaccine. But you're a very strong boy. You can manage. You can go on. You just had your COVID vaccine. I told him you got a very strong immune system, so you can go on. Oh, sit down, sit down. Teacher is waiting for you.
Hello, Miggy, are you there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Fine,
you're welcome
okay.
back. You're welcome back. That was told you a little bit strong. Yeah, I can understand that. Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. So, should I explain this example again, or are you ready to go to the classwork?
Ready to go to the classwork.
Okay, fine.
I'm
So,
ready to go to the classwork.
fine. So let me bring
Fine.
up the question again because I just want to change some figures in that question. So in this time around, we are not talking about 24 folders, but we'll be talking about 12 folders. And we will be talking about maybe, let's say, 14 sheets of paper inside each of the folders, okay?
Fine.
12 folders, each has 14 sheets of paper inside them. So how many sheets of paper are in the 12 folders altogether? Okay, so try it now. I'm going to give you some few minutes to try that. Is that clear?
Fine. I set my timer.
Yeah, I'm going to show you.
How many? You
I'll
said few
I'll give you
minutes.
5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes.
Fine. I have my timer already.
I know. I'm just using mine. Okay.
I'm gonna do.
Yeah. What did you say?
What am I gonna do?
Oh, what you gonna do? Let me explain to you. You can remember. Did you remember what we did here?
Yeah.
We were given 24 folders. Each
Fine.
folder has 56 sheets. And we had to multiply 24 by 56 in order to get the total
Fine.
sheets. But this time around, you are given 12 folders. And each folder has 14 sheets, okay? Then you have to find the total number of sheets in all the folders. So you have less than 4 minutes to go.
Fine. So I'm gonna answer it.
Okay, yeah, answer it.
Fine. Where? I solved it.
Yeah, just solve it. When you're through, you tell me
Fine.
your answer, okay? Yeah, just about 1 minute more.
How did you know?
Yeah, I'm checking the time. I'm checking the time, okay?
At my timer.
Yeah, your timer and my timer too.
Okay, you check on me timer at your timer.
Yes.
Fine. Check on me timer and your time. Fine.
And your time is.
Yeah, heard that
up.
already. My timer.
Yes, it's up already. So what's your answer?
168.
One.
Yeah, heard your time. Yeah, heard. Did you?
I had my
Did-
timer. Yes, I hit my timer.
Did you hear my timer?
Yes, I had it. So now let's see.
Also me timer. Yeah, also heard me timer.
Yes. You said your answer is 168, right?
Fine.
Okay, let's check it now. One folder equal 14 sheets. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Then 12 folders will equal 12 times 14 sheets. Okay.
Fine.
Then how do we get that? That's 12 multiplied by 14. So when we say 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay.
Fine.
Then when we say 4 times 1, and that is 4. Is that clear?
Fine.
And when we say 1 times 2, that is 2. And finally, when we say 1 times 1, that is 1. Then we can add everything together. So adding everything together gives me 8, give me 6, and give me 1. So that means you are correct. 168 sheets. So there are 168 sheets in how many folders? In 12 folders. Your answer is correct.
Fine.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
So let's try something. Let's try to do the question in another way. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Let's try something like this. Still on the same question about folders and papers and some. Let me bring the question up here. So let's assume you have this. Instead of having 24 folders and whatever sheets, let's say if there are 120 sheets in 15 folders altogether, okay?
Fine.
If there are 120 sheets in 15 folders altogether, how many sheets does each folder contains if they all have equal number of sheets? Equal number of sheets. Okay, look at this question. I'm going to call it number 3. If there are 120
Did you
sheets,
say you're gonna call the tree or did you say you're gonna call the tree or what?
I said I'm going to call this question number 3, okay? Is that clear?
Fine.
So if there are 120 sheets in 15 folders altogether, okay, in this time around, we say 15 folders contain 120 sheets. Then how many sheets will one folder contain? So one folder contains unknown number of sheets, okay?
Fine.
And that is what we want to find. So we will say, divide 120 sheets into 15 folders. That is, share 120 sheets equally into 15 folders. Then you're going to know how many sheets are in one folder. That is, or therefore we say 120 divided by 15. Okay?
Fine.
Now, did you remember our ways of reducing fraction, right? So we can use 5 to multiply, to divide this. So 5, how many 5 can I see in 10? That is 2, remainder 2, okay? If I count 12, how many 5 can I see in 12 rather? That is 2, remainder 2. So if I count 12, let's say I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many 5 can I see there, Mickey? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 2. So I have 2, is that clear?
Fine.
What does it remain? It remains 2, making 20. Now, how many 5 is in 20, Miggy? That's 4, okay?
Fine.
Then, we will say, how many 5 is in 15? That is 5 times what gives me 15? That's 3. Is that clear?
Fine.
Then we have not gotten to our answer. We have 24 over 3. So how many 3 is in 24? That is 3 times what will give me 24, Migi? That's 8. So 24 divided by 3 equal 8. So we can say there are 8 sheets, okay, in one
Fine.
folder. In one folder. How many sheets are in one folder now? Migi? How many sheets are in one folder now? Really?
One.
There are
There are
8
some
sheets.
question mark sheets.
Yeah,
That's gonna be
look at it at the bottom here. There are 8 sheets in one folder, okay?
fine.
Can you see it?
Fine.
Okay. So do you understand it now?
Fine.
All right, so that is where we'll be rounding up for today. But based on our discussion, we will not meet on Friday, but we'll meet tomorrow, okay?
Fine. Not only on Friday, and we're gonna meet not only on Friday, and we're gonna meet tomorrow.
Yes, we'll meet tomorrow. We will not hold on Friday, okay?
Fine. What? We're not gonna meet on Friday?
Yes, we are not
Two.
meeting on Friday, but we are meeting tomorrow,
Fine.
okay?
Fine.
All right. So thank you very much for being a part of the class, Migi. We're gonna see you tomorrow.
Also, have a great day.
Yeah, have a great day. Bye.